Carmen, I got your text and I ran all the way here. Just give me a moment. Our houses are actually kind of far apart. What do they teach us in gym class? Oh yeah, hands on your head, right? Okay, I'm good now. Now what's the big news? Sophie, you will never gay us! What is it, Carmen? You called me over here when I was in the middle of reorganizing my Spacecrafters action figure collection. My sister Skye is returning from Europe! Oh, great. Sophie, you don't sound very excited about Skye. Well, the last time she was here, we didn't exactly get along. Maybe things will be different this time. She called me a litter fly, Carmen. Who does that? Seriously, who does that? I mean, flies are gross. Maybe it was just a misunderstanding. So are you saying I misunderstood when she tore down all my posters and ruined my bake sale? Let bygones be bygones. Bringing up the past only brings out wrinkles. Ooh, that's my phone. Hello? Hey, sis. I'm here. Yay! Stay right there. We're on our way. Skye, there you are. Wow, you look so different. Yeah, well, that happens when someone's late, picking you up from the airport. Seems like the same old Skye to me. I see you've brought a tag along. Let's go. I'm tired. And we've got school tomorrow. Where is it? Chloe, have you seen my book bag? Ooh, my phone. Hello? Good morning, Sophie. Oh, hey Carmen, what's up? Listen, I don't think you and Skye got off to a great start yesterday, so let's meet at the cafe right before school, okay? Love you, bye-bye. Okay. Wow, the park has really changed. Excuse me, coming through. Sorry I'm late. I was working on my science project and lost track of time. No problem, I'm just gonna take a quick break. Okay, Belle, I've got the front counter. I don't know how this place gets so dusty. Oh, hey, Malik. I wasn't expecting my big brother to visit me at work today.
You forgot your science project. What is it anyway?
A love potion.
A love potion? Really? Tamara, you've been reading too much Perry Hopper.
It's not really a love potion. It's more like a friendship potion. But love potion sounds better for marketing.
Okay, I'm gonna let you get back to work. Let me know when you make a teleportation machine.
Ha ha, funny Malik. I had to put that project on hold until I get more dilithium crystals. Well, since it's pretty quiet in here, I'm gonna run and put this towel in the back. Skye, Sophie and I thought it would be fun to get some lattes before school. Why? Okay. Welcome to Star Frog's Coffee. How can I help you? 2 cocoa lattes, please. Sophie, just give her a chance. Fine. Make that 3 cocoa lattes. Sure. Coming right up. Here are your 2 cocoa lattes. I have just 1 more to make. Okay. Ooh, this must be a new kind of sugar. Wow. Never saw I do that before. Your latte's ready. Oh, Skye, that one's for you. I guess you expect me to get it myself. Thanks.
Oh, wow, Carmen.
Sophie, she's probably still tired from her trip. That was yesterday. Why is there a heart in my latte? Is that supposed to be cute? Sorry, ma'am. I can make you another one. Don't worry about it. Whoa. What's going on? I feel so different. This is like the best latte ever. You're like a latte genius. Wow. Thank you. Carmen, it's obvious that Skye and I are just not meant to be friends. So let's not push it. Sophie? Oh boy. What can I do for you now, Skye? I just want to say thank you for buying me a latte. This is like the nicest thing anyone has ever done for me.
Say what?
You are so nice. I don't know why we weren't friends before. Come on, girls. Off to school. See, Sophie, I knew lattes would work. She's being nice. But why? It must be some kind of trick. Sophie! I'm for real, Carmen! Hey, what happened to my love potion? Wait, did you say love potion? I thought it was sugar. It's more of a friendship potion. Wait, why? Did you use it? Yeah. Oh no. Wow, the school looks so different. Hello there. Did they repaint the lockers? I love it. Actually, they've been this color for a while.
Sophie, who's that?
That is Skye.
Skye? But she's so nice.
I know. Creepy, right? But I am convinced it is a diabolical plan to gain my trust and...
And what?
I don't know. I haven't figured it out yet.
Or maybe she has changed, and you should give her a second chance.
That's what you all said about Anna. And we all know how that turned out. Hello, Prince Naveen. Sophie. Anna. The bell. Gotta go to gym class.
Well, it is her first day, so try to be a little nicer. All right, girls, we're gonna play soccer today, so I need to divide you up into teams. Skye and Noelle, y'all are team captains.
Excuse me, Coach. There's kind of a dragon in the locker room.
A dragon? How did that happen?
Well, I was in woodshop and I made the most adorable little house. And I thought, wouldn't it be cool if a dragon could fit inside? Only it escaped.
All right, girls, sit tight while I handle this dragon situation.
Oh man, they're picking teams. I always get picked last. Accidentally make a few goals for the other team and you'll never live it down.
Sophie, you did it like 3 games in a row.
Thanks, Chloe. Sophie, I'll pick you first for my team.
Really?
Absolutely. What are friends for? I told you she was different. I've got it.
Sophie, over here.
She kicks. She scores. The crowd goes wild. Only you scored for the other team. Again. Oops. It's okay, Sophie. Accidents happen. Thanks, Skye. Wow, what a day. This is definitely one for the history books. Can you believe Skye being nice? What's next? Anna?
I'm glad to see y'all getting along. I'm gonna go change for the barn. You coming out to clean some stalls?
My phone's ringing. Let me get back to you on that. Hello? Hey, Sophie. It's Skye. Oh, hey, Skye. I just wanted to say thanks for making my first day back at school a little easier. Oh, well, you're welcome. It's nice to have a real friend. For some reason, I've always had a difficult time making friends. Oh, wow. Really? Well, you made one today, so see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye. Chloe?
What is it, Sophie?
You will never guess what Skye just told me. She said that she's happy we're friends because for some reason she's always had a hard time making friends. And that's probably because up until now she hasn't been very nice. Sophie's talking about me. She doesn't realize her phone is still on.
But she's nice now, so don't you think she deserves a fresh start?
You're right, Chloe. People can change. And it would be nice to add a new friend to our group.
So do you want to stop bringing up the past so we can all move forward?
Yes, starting now. I love talking to you. You're like my own personal conscience.
You're supposed to have one of those internally.
I do, but you're louder. How could Sophie do that? How could she just tell somebody everything I said? She betrayed my trust.
Hey, Sophie, how did things turn out yesterday?
Great. Skye and I are like total besties.
I'll see you in homeroom.
All right, Chloe.
Well, I am glad to hear it.
Yep. In fact, I'm gonna go say hi to her right now. What's up, Skye? And you are talking to me because... What's wrong, Skye? I thought we were cool. So I thought, until you forgot to turn your phone off and told Chloe everything I said. Did I really do that? Wow, Skye, I am so sorry, but Chloe is my sister and we share everything. I tell her everything. She's who I go to when I need a reality check. I never meant to betray your confidence, and I'm really sorry if you thought I did. Well, I have a sister, so I guess I can understand. Great, so we're cool? Yeah, we're cool. All right, well, see you in gym class. Hey there, you're new, right? Your name is Skye, isn't it? Yeah, I think you and I have a lot in common, and perhaps we can help one another. Come back, little dragon. I made you a dollhouse.
Gotta do something, get it right. Gonna keep on running, grab the fun and live it live. And tomorrow's far away. Should I let the party fade? And we ain't got nothing, gotta do something. Let us know tonight.
We want to give a shout out to Just Toys. What's up? Hey Froggy, what you doing? Just looking for a good spot for a little toy photography? Are you excited for Valentine's Day? Because I am! It's an excuse for all of my friends to give me candy. Candy? Shouldn't you use this time to tell your friends that you appreciate them? I will! When they stop by to bring me candy. Sophie. What?
Party